What is up, guys? Today we're playing iCat. Look, it's Granny! It's Granny, guys. Alright, let's play. Hello, Granny. So, what can we do? Alright, let's, go over here. Yeah, let's go over here. Yeah, let's see what's on the dinner table. No. Ooh, what is this? Let's climb it. No, maybe not that. Ooh. Let's see what Granny's doing. Hi, Granny. What are you doing? What are you doing, Granny? Ooh, a dinosaur. Ooh, a dinosaur. Never mind. Okay. Let's see what else is here. Ooh, balloon. Let's pop it. Let's pop it. Yeah, we're gonna pop it. Okay, that's one of our tasks. So let's do it. Wait, yeah, it is one of our tasks. Alright, let's do it. Wee! No. Not yet. Wee! I didn't pop it? Come on, man. I wanna pop it. Oh, okay, no. Okay, I got on the fridge. Oh, a fish? Why is that on there? Alright, let's see what that fish is doing. Ooh, I got fish. Put it in my mouth. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna save this fish. Yeah. Jump on the fish tank. Wow. Ooh, no. Okay. Let's put it back on the fish tank. And maybe I should eat it. Maybe. No, maybe not. What's Granny watching? Ooh, this is cool. Ooh, this is cool, Grandma. Let me sit next to you. Oh, okay. No. Granny! I finally got on the table. Never mind. I don't want to be here. What should we do? What should we do? Okay. Let's go. Here. Alright, let's see what's here. Ooh, a microwave? Let's cook a hot dog. Ooh, yeah, let's cook a hot dog. That's good. Yeah, that would be good. Let's just wait for the hot dog to cook. Wow, that was fast. Okay, I got my hot dog. Time to cut it. Okay, let's go. Oh no, I got in the sink. Oh no. Come on, get out, get out, get out. Get out, I don't want to pour water on me. Oh no, my hot dog. My hot dog. Give me my hot dog. Alright, put it in my mouth. Alright, come on. Yeah, okay, finally, cut it. Cut it. Alright, let's cut it. Yeah. Okay. Let's just put it right there. Eat it. Now, let's eat it. Yeah, yum. 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 That was yummy. Now let's see what's over here. Okay. Oh, I can't open it. Oh, man. Oh, there's a lever. Maybe that opens it. Oh. We get it. Okay. Now we get it. Okay. Go on. Let's go. Oh, I opened it. Come on, let's get in there. Come on. Come on. Really? Ah! Snake! Snake! Oh, it's a chicken thing. Let's go somewhere else. Okay. Yes, it's on TV. No, I don't think so. Let's go upstairs. Let's see what's upstairs. Yeah, this probably upstairs can be cooler. The stairs. Alright. Ooh. The TV? Yeah, we're turning it off. I hate that thing. I'll turn it off. Move. Ball. Alright, never mind. Upstairs is kind of weird. Whee! Another? Upstairs? Whee! That was good. Good times. Good times. Alright. Let's do that. Come on. Let go. Alright. No. Okay. Let's just... Alright guys, that will be the end of today's video.